Hello, so in this video I will explain how collaboration tool works. So collaboration tool is below the content library, and you can see collaboration tool will work if you activate Pro options of this application. If you have Autodesk account and you are a student, you can activate Pro option tools and use it inside this program. So let's click here and I will activate my account. Now it works, so I can use FormIt for Windows, I can use Collaborate, I can use Autodesk Material Library, I can use Solar Analysis tools, and I can use Energy Analysis tools. Let's activate collaboration. So for collaboration, I can start collaboration session. Or I can join existing session. If I start collaboration session, program creates an environment for collaboration, and it provides this link and special ID number, so I can send this public link by email, and any person can join me in FormIt, and together we can create design on online collaboration. Also, we can type messages and discuss our design options, and in here I will see all my team members when I will make design and design changes. And if you want to finish, you can click End Collaboration Session, stop sharing, and this session will be ended. Thank you.